I'm looking through my toolbox to try to find the tape measure that has disappeared, and it's a disaster. I've apparently got 2 hammers, a ratchet, which I haven't used in probably 2 years, 20 screwdrivers, a nightlight bulb. We don't have a nightlight. I don't know what the fuck I bought this for, but I was going to hang something probably about 5 years ago. Polyurethane. Probably about 6 years old. More of the same. Screws. Why? I don't know. Something to do with furniture, apparently. God knows. Magnets. At one point, I had a use for a stud finder. I don't know why they're in this plastic thing. Branch trimmer? We have no branches. No comment. What? Apparently I was going to hang something else. A ruler. Saw blades. Some kind of a scraper. Screws. I do actually use these once in a while. Don't know. Something to hang things. A weirdly shaped screwdriver. Something to hang more things. Pliers, rusted. And I won't bore you with the rest. I think that's a mini screwdriver set, or maybe a nail kit. There you have it.